Good morning children. Today we are going to revise for our exam, which is the lessons 4, 5 and 6. The fourth lesson is slide organization. How are we going to do the editing of the slide? We can insert a new slide, delete a new slide, rearrange the slides or change anything within the given slides. Okay, using this editing the slide concepts. Okay, adding the new slide, you can add the new slide. Okay, using Ctrl plus M, or you can go to Home tab and you can insert the new slide. Then changing the new slide, you can change the layout. Layout is nothing but the place where it has the placeholders. Placeholders, that is the small rectangular boxes. Okay, to hold the title, whatever you want, it will be holding there, and on the layout it will be shown during the slide show. And the Ctrl plus M is to insert the new slide. Okay, then coming to how are we going to add the text. You can add the text and you can edit the text. You can move, you can copy. You copy using Ctrl plus C is a shortcut key. Then inserting the text box, that is the text box is to enter the text. Okay, and then you can edit the text. Okay, then there is this rearranging the slides. You can rearrange the slides in the slide sorter tab. Okay, when in the slide sorter view, you can rearrange it. Inserting the clip art, you can insert the clip art from the illustrations group. Then working with word art. Word art will give you the three-dimensional effects to the text. Okay, then inserting the shapes, you can insert the shapes and you can give the shadow effects or whatever effects we want to. Okay, then 3D rotation option also is there. Okay, these are all the things we learnt in the editing the slide. So the slide layout can be modified either in the normal or in the slide sort of view. To apply the shadow effects to a shape, so we have to select the shapes effect. Okay, then dash is the placeholder to enter and manipulate the text, so it should be the text box. And dash feature helps us to create special text effects. It will be word art. Then the rotate option is present on the format tab. Okay, so flipping means to turn over the object. True. A slide layout can be changed in the normal view. No, it can be changed only in the slide sort of view. So this is false. Shift key is used to select more than one shape. True. Select the text box tool is present on the insert tab. True. Clip art is used to add text in the slides. No, this is to add pictures in the slides. The clip art button present in the illustrations group. Then to maintain the height and the width ratio, you have to click on the shift button. Then you can rearrange the slides in the slide sort of view. Then the new slide button is present in the home tab. Ctrl plus M is the combination to insert a new slide. Okay. Now coming to the fifth lesson, applying the formatting effects. That is, formatting means we are going to give more importance for the appearance. That is, we are going to make the appearance very good. Okay, so for that we have the concept called slide master. Slide master means it is the master of all the slides. So if you do any changes in that slide master, it will be reflected in all the slides in that particular slide organization. Okay, so slide master is nothing but it will set the default layout and formatting for the other slides. It will actually control the entire presentation. Okay, then the changes made in the slide master will be automatically reflected on each slide. Okay, so in case I want to write our school's name in all the slides, okay, I can just upload that particular change in the slide master. It will be reflecting automatically in all my other slides. Okay, now you have two things in the slide master. One is the slide title placeholder and the body text placeholder. Slide title placeholder will hold the title, whereas the body text will have the general objects like the bullets, charts, pictures, etc. Okay, now we can create our own custom layout. How are we going to do? We can do it through the layout button. If you click on the layout button in the animations tab, you will be having the layout button. You can click on the designing, formatting, effects, etc. Then you can change the color also. Every presentation's color scheme can be changed. Okay, then go to the design tab. In the design tab, you will be having many backgrounds already. As a default theme, you can select any background, and in that also you can change the background, whichever background you want you can change. Along with filling the effects, you can fill the effects with 3D versions, gradient fill, full fill, solid fill, everything. Then applying the formatting effects, you can apply what are all the formats you have for the font size, you have the increasing the font size, decreasing the font size, then you have the paintbrush option, then you have bold, italics, underline. Okay, all this is all done in the the formatting effects. Applying the indents means giving the margins. Okay, then applying or adding inserting the table. You can insert a table using how many rows and columns. Then entering the data in the table, you can enter the data using the mouse pointer. You can move, and you can also give the borders. Okay, then you can also insert a chart in the PowerPoint. Okay, so chart is nothing but to give us a easy pictorial form, easy way to display the data in the pictorial form. Okay, so when you insert the chart, the data is displayed in the special window called data sheet. So this window is called as data sheet, and then there is the chart area, then you have the plot area. Chart area is the entire area, whereas the plot area is only the area which is having the chart. Okay, this only portion where it will be having is called as the plot area. Chart area means the entire area is called the chart area. Now coming to the axis, you will be having two axes. One is the category axis, another one is the value axis. Value axis is the y axis, category axis is the x axis. Then the legend will give the color, pattern, symbols assigned to each of the data series. Data series are the bars. Okay. Then you have the chart types. How many charts you have? Column, bar, line and pie. Column all will be in vertical bars. Bar will be always in the horizontal line. Line will be always in the line, and pie is in the form of a circle. Then printing, you can use the print option and print. Okay. Coming to the exercises. Dash button is used to increase the font size. It is the increase font size button. Dash refers to the placement of the text on the slide. Alignment. Then intersection of the row and column is called a cell. We specify the number of rows and columns in the insert table dialog box. Dash is the chart area which contains the actual chart itself. So that is the plot area. Dash chart displays data in the form of a circle, pie chart. Coming to true or false, text can be altered by clicking on the desired cell. True. Slide master button is available on the insert tab. No, it is available on the view tab. Then line chart displays the data in the form of lines. True. Then when you insert a chart, the data is also displayed in the special window sheet called the data sheet. True. Line spacing feature is used to move a paragraph or the first line. Yes, this is also true. Then multiple questions. Dash sets the default layout. Slide master. Slide master consists of how many placeholders? 2 placeholders. Okay. Then dash depicts the colors, patterns. So legend. Okay. A dash gets updated automatically. Chart. Then dash means formatting. Formatting means changing the appearance of the text. Okay. Coming to our 6th lesson. What is this? Enlivening a presentation. Here we are going to add the animations, transitions, video, audio clips, etc. to make the entire presentation more lively. So that is what is a slideshow? It is the on-screen presentation of the information. How are we going to apply the animation effect? We are going to add objects or text and we can make it move. Okay. And give some visual effects. How are we going to do that? Because animation is to focus on important points. It will control the order of flow of information and it will increase the audience interest. Now coming to addition, how are we going to do the transition? Transitions are used to add visual effects. We are going to add visual effects and every movement of the slide will show the transition. Okay. Then where can we apply the transition effects? We are applying the transition effects in our slide sorter view. Okay. Then the recorded files are assigned this format, that is .wav format, and inserting the sound clips. You are inserting the sound clips, whether it can be music or audio, which is from the CD or from the system. Okay. Then we can insert it accordingly. Then we can have video clips also. Videos will be in the form of .mp3 or any form, and that video gallery is open and we can insert the video inside our PowerPoint. Action button, the button which we want to give whatever action we want. So action button is a ready-made button, okay, to define the hyperlink or to run a program or to play the sound. Okay, we can have many action buttons to play the movies or sounds, etc. So what is the hypertext? Hypertext is the connection from one slide to another. Okay, so coming to the fill in the blanks. Dash are the special effects. Transitions are the special effects. Click the animations tab. We are going to click on the animations tab to apply the transitions. Then the star symbol indicates the type of the effect used in a slide. Click on the play button on the custom animation pane. Then you can view the transition effects in the slideshow view. Then action button is the ready-made button for the hyperlink. True or false? Action buttons used to link any other application. True. You can add sound to text or graphics. True. Movie clips can be added to a slide from the home tab. False. You can choose transitional sound effects from the transition sound button. True. Transition effects give motion to text and pictures. False. Then media clips group is present on the dash tab, insert tab. The recorded sound files are assigned the extension .wav. Then the ability to move an object any direction is called animation, and the connection is called the hyperlink. And then we will be having these two pages. Okay, abbreviation pages and the shortcut keys. Shortcut keys very important. You should be knowing this. Okay, Control plus N is to open a new document. Control plus O is to open an already existing document. Control plus W is to close the document. These three for the documents. Control plus S is to save the document. Control plus F is to find the text. Control plus H is to replace the text. Control plus G is to go to any particular page number. Control plus Z is to undo the last action. Control plus Y is to redo or repeat the action again. Control plus P is to print the document. Then Control plus E is for center alignment. J is for justification alignment. Then this Control plus S is for left alignment. L is for left alignment. Control plus R is for right alignment. Then Control plus Home move to the previous page or the first page. Control plus End is to move to the last page. Page down to go one screen above. Page up to go one screen up. Control plus X, Control plus C, Control plus V. X is to cut, C is to copy, V is to paste. Control plus A to select all. And Control plus I, Control plus U, Control plus B. I is for italics. U is for underlining. B is for bold. Okay. Control plus F4 is to close the application. Escape is to move out from the page layout. And F12 is to open the saved document. Control plus M is to insert a new slide. F5 is for slideshow presentation. Then Control plus N is to build a new presentation. Escape is to end the presentation. And Control plus E is to change the pointer to an eraser. Control plus P, change the pointer to a pen. Okay, so these things are very important. You should be knowing. Okay, so revise thoroughly, children. Learn all the 1 marks and the question answers which we have marked. Okay, revise properly. All the best for your exam. Thank you.